Hi guys, so I'm going to pin the link for you to mint your Avive profile in the comment section. So when you tap on that link, you're going to first log in, and to log in, you're going to enter the email that is associated with your Avive account. You're going to enter it in that first box, and then in the second box, you're going to tap on send OTP, and then you get the OTP from your email address, and then you enter it in the second box, input email OTP, then you tap on submit. So I have done that right now. And the next thing I want to do is you're going to connect the Avive website with your metamask. So you tap on connect wallet. So I had to switch to desktop mode so that everything can go smoothly, although it wasn't smooth at the end. So tap on metamask and then confirm the prompt in your wallet. So I have to first log into my wallet, so I'm pasting my password, then tap on unlock. Okay, so my wallet is connected. What you need to do here is just enter your nickname, whatever nickname you want to be bearing on Avive. You are going to enter the nickname, and it has to be lowercase letter all through, no capital letter, no symbol, just lowercase all through. Then tap on mint. So you're going to confirm the minting transaction in your wallet as well. And then you're going to tap on sign. The pop-up is two. One is to sign and then the other one is to confirm. Okay, so you're going to tap on confirm, and as you can see, it cost me 26 cents worth of Arbitrum ETH to do this. So you have to have Arbitrum on your wallet before you can mint. So the transaction is pending. Don't bother speeding up, just leave it like that. Give it time. Okay, so the transaction is successful, and I will go back to the Avive website. So at this page, it is telling me to share on Twitter to finish creating my profile. So I tapped on the share button. It took me to Twitter, and when the Twitter page opened up, I wanted to use another Twitter account to share it. I wanted to use a different account, so I logged out of the other Twitter account, and I wanted to go back to Avive to start everything all over again. But then it said my sharing is successful. I don't know about that one. So you can see congratulations, mint successful. So next, you are going to the top right of your device, tap on Avive point. So for every event that you participate in Avive, you are supposed to claim some Avive points to validate your participation in that event. So as you can see, my balance was showing 0, but it showed that I have 10 points to claim. So I'll tap on that box that says claim 10 points, button rather, that says claim 10 points. So doing this is what validates my participation in the Avive Profile Mint event. So I'm going to confirm that in my wallet as well. Just sign that. This one doesn't cost anything. And as you can see, my balance is now showing 10 points. So that is the end of minting your Avive profile. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section or join us on Telegram. I'm going to leave the link for you in the comment section for your convenience. And if you have found value in any of my content, do not forget to give me a subscribe, like the video so that many others can get to see it. And thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in another tutorial.